Okay, so today is the day. I'm applying for a new job and I'm working on my cover letter. I've already written a letter, but I need to make some changes. Let's start by adding some new text. It's really simple. All you need to do is move your mouse to the location where you want to add the text and left click it. The insertion point appears. Now I can just type the text. Anytime you make a mistake, you can just use the backspace key on your keyboard or delete key to correct your mistake, like this. There may be times when you want to move the text from one location in the document to another. Now, there are several ways you can do this. One way is to copy text and paste it another place in the document. For example, let's copy with telephone ink and paste it in some other place in this document. To do this, you first need to select the text. Place the insertion point in the text you wish to select and left click your mouse and drag it over the text. Then release the mouse button. See how this text is highlighted? That means you selected the text. Very good. Okay, this is worth mentioning. This little box that you can see, this is the Hobo Toolbar. And whenever I select text, the Hobo Toolbar comes up and gives me other options. But we're going to highlight that a little later, so let's keep going. Now, once the text is selected, click the Copy button on the Home tab. Now, just place the insertion point where you want the text and click the Paste button on the Home tab. And your text appears. Now, this is great when you're copying and pasting large amounts of text. You can also move text by dragging and dropping. Let's say you want to move this sentence. Thank you for your consideration. Now let's move this to the end of the letter. First, select the sentence, then left click your mouse and drag it to the location you want the sentence to appear. You will notice a pointed arrow appear as you're dragging. Release the mouse button and you have moved your sentence. Not only you can move sentences, you can move words, paragraphs, or any text on the page. Sometimes you'll find that you can't copy and paste or drag and drop item exactly where you want it to appear, which has happened in this case. So get as close as you can and then use your Enter key to move the text to its desired location. Now everything is in place and I want to make some changes to my font. So if I want to change the text of my entire document, I should select all of the text. I can do this using my mouse or in the editing group, click Select Command and select All. This selects all the text in my entire document. Now I'm ready to look at my font choices. Let's go to the font drop-down box and move the cursor over the various fonts. There are a lot of different font choices available. And the live preview feature lets me see how my document will look in the various fonts before I select one. This one looks good. Now to my font size. 10, 11, 12. I think the standard is somewhere between 10 and 12, so I'll select 11. And now the font color. Pink. Well, this is my cover letter, so maybe I shouldn't choose the pink. I just stick to black.